Here we have an absolutely beautiful 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan AMS handicap wheelchair conversion van, fully lowered floor, full power, wireless setup. Awesome van, 46,000 original miles. The van is near flawless condition, rear entertainment, gorgeous, clean Carfax, clean title, southern van, no rust at all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful handicap wheelchair conversion van, 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's got dual side entry power doors. We specialize in handicap vans, wheelchair vans, full-size vans. We've been in business 45 years. Give us a call at any time if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. We'll do our best to provide you any info that we have on these vehicles. Got your tie downs in the floor. Interior's flawless, exterior's flawless. Got your flip down TV screen. It's never been used. It has the brand new headsets in the rear, along with the remote control, still in the original plastic from when the van was new. 46,637 miles. Van's running, driving beautifully. Needs nothing at all. It has Michelin tires. The outside is pretty flawless. There's one little mark there on the side cladding that goes underneath the door. That's it. It's a little scratch about that long. I'll show you. As you can see. Other than that, the paint is flawless. It shines beautifully. It's a very nice, clean van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Visit us on TikTok, Instagram. If you see any value in this video, give us a like. We're happy to help at any time. Call us, text us, ask for Jeff or Ken. We've been in business 45 years. If we can't help you, we'll try to point you in the right direction. Our goal is to make sure that everybody gets what they need. Even if they don't buy a vehicle from us, we will try to help point anybody in the right direction if they give us a call. We're happy to help. We understand everybody has a unique situation. We do have financing available on these handicap vans. We do offer shipping to anywhere in the world. And we also do take any type of trade-in that you might have. And just give us a call. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We're happy to help at any time. Just ask for Jeff or Ken. I'm going to give you the tour, and then I'm going to run you through how the wheelchair lift works and everything. As you can see, it's a pretty flawless van. Super duper low miles. I mean, it's gorgeous inside and out. Interior is just beautiful black interior. Fully loaded. It's got 2 keys, 2 remotes. Power doors all the way around. This is 1 key and 1 remote. The other key and remote is inside there. What you see are the original boxes here for the headsets and the remote control for the rear entertainment. And here's some original paperwork from AMS Vans, the company who did the conversion. Gorgeous, gorgeous van. Don't hesitate to call at any time. 954-561-2499. Happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Beautiful. There's not even a ding or a dent around this van. Shows absolutely beautifully. It drives like a brand new car. Awesome van for anybody who's looking for this type of setup. We will price it to sell. Easy, easy van to use. Super duper easy. Fully wireless system. Wheelchair lifts in. You go in and out with these remotes and you're all set. Don't hesitate to call at any time. There's no warning lights on. It's got power driver's seat. All the original stickers, of course. got an adjustable brake pedal. The seats are easily removable up front. You can take them out. An awesome setup. Got your cup holders, chargers. Give us a call at any time. 954-561-2499. Got your owner's manuals. Happy to help at any time. This van is rust-free, smoke-free. It's good to go. Thank you for looking. We do appreciate it. And give us a like. Give us a call. Give us a text. Thank you very much.